YouTube channel. By the way, my name is Kit Asuncion. So for today's video, we are talking about the consumer behavior, internet marketing, and advertising. Consumer behavior, internet marketing, and advertising, the factors that influence the behavior online. It is understand the decision-making process of the consumer purchasing online, the segmentation and how companies are building one-to-one relationships with customers, and explains how consumer behavior can be analyzed for creating personalized services. And for the issues of e-loyalty and e-trust in electronic commerce, and it's described consumer market research in electronic commerce, the objectives of web advertising and its characteristics, the major of advertising, the methods of use on the web, the various online advertising strategies and types of promotions, the permission marketing is ad management, localization, and other advertising related issues. It's related to web and issues. Social networks to internet market research and advertising. Learning about consumer behavior online. The process of how consumers make decisions to purchase products in e-commerce. Online behavior is the key to compete in today's market, which are characterized by ever increasing competition and globalization. In an online text, consumer responses are no longer dependent on the psychological environment, while at the same time entirely new factors come into play, such as the device through which consumers interact and the way products and services are sold and presented online, which often differs significantly from traditional online marketing strategies. It is for this reason for the research into online consumer behavior has increasing started looking to other disciplines, including psychological approaches and concepts. The consumer purchasing decision-making process. Consumer decision-making process represents as a problem-solving approach and involves the following five stages, like recognition, information speech, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post-purchase behavior. The consumer decision process, also called the buyer decision process, helps markets identify how consumers complete the journey from knowing about the product to making a purchase decision. Understanding the buyer's buying process is essential for marketing and sales. The consumer or buyer decision process will enable them to set a marketing plan that convinces them to purchase the product or service for fulfilling the buyer's or consumer's problem. Marketing, market segmentation, and one-on-one marketing. Market segmentation, the practice of dividing your target market into approachable groups. And for the market segmentation, creates subsets of a market based on demographics, need priorities, common interest, and other psychographic or behavioral criteria used to better understand the target audience. And for the one-on-one marketing, essentially one-to-one marketing builds customer relationships, emphasizing personalized interactions to foster customer loyalty and increase customer lifetime value. It's the online version of your favorite daily handling. You, your order before you even place it. It means getting to know your customer in such a way that you can serve them best. Personalization and behavioral marketing. Personalized marketing is the ultimate form of target market, creating messages for individual consumers. That said, it is most often an automated process using computer software to craft the individual messages and building customer-centric recommendation engines instead of company-centric selling engines. In addition to customized promotions, personalized marketing can also be applied to the products themselves by using a configuration system which allows customers to choose individual specifications for the products they're interested in. By offering consumer products they already want, businesses are far more likely to convert online visit sales. Behavioral marketing or behavioral segmentation in marketing is a method of grouping customers by their behavioral patterns. Marketers can segment by customer interactions with their brand, such as their purchase history and website interactions. Loyalty, satisfaction, and trust in e-commerce. Behavioral and attitude aspects of loyalty. Customers of online companies make decisions based on their emotional and attitude that come from the previous purchasing experiences. Loyalty, or in the other words, repeat purchasing, is the result of customer commitment. Loyalty embraces attitude and behavioral preferences toward the seller and encompasses commitment. Loyal customers are hardly diverted to the other alternatives. Higher purchasing intent, willingness to pay more, and resistance to switch are the symbols of customer loyalty. Customer satisfaction and trust play vital roles in the formation of loyalty in the e-commerce. E-satisfaction is a pleasurable fulfillment collected over previous transaction experiences that affect overall evaluation of online retailer. Evaluation of the online retailer is trust, is customer belief or confidence that seller will not take advantage of the consumer vulnerability. Market research for e-commerce. E-commerce is the activity of buying or selling of products on online services or over the internet. Electronic commerce draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic funds, transfer supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction processing, etc. Research gather and analyze data concerning trends that are happening now. They often find correlations and make predictions based on current statistics. Similar methods will be used in this research project to analyze e-commerce sales data and compare it to total commerce data. Web advertising is also known as online marketing, internet advertising, digital advertising, or web advertising. This is a form of marketing and advertising which uses the internet to promote products and services to audiences and platform users. Online advertising users includes email marketing, search engine marketing or SEM, Social media marketing, many types of display advertising and mobile advertising. Advertisements are increasingly being delivered via automated software systems operating across multiple websites, media, services, and platforms known as programmatic advertising. Online advertising methods. Advertising. Online advertising accounts for almost 10% of all advertising in the Philippines. This share is expected to increase as more media is consumed over the internet and as more advertisers shift spending to online technologies. The expansion of internet-based advertising is transforming the advertising business by providing more efficient method of matching advertiser and consumers and transforming the media business by providing a source of revenue for online media firms that convince the traditional media firms. The precise decline of the newspaper industry is one of a manifestation of the symbiotic relationship between online content and advertising. In promotions, the aim of promotion to both communicate with buyers and seller. They concern effective promotion requires a good understanding of the process, power of persuasion, and how this process affect environmental factors. The potential buyer must to get not only the desired all information but should be ability to understand his information. In addition, the information means certain facts and information are exchanged together with this person. Special advertising and implementation topics. Advertising plays an important role in our everyday life. It mainly determines the image and way of life, and it has an impact on our thinking as well as on the attitude towards ourselves and the world around us. Advertising shows as ready forms of behavior in a certain situation. It determines what is good and what is bad way by what people say or advise. Implementation is the process of turning your marketing strategy into real life actions like tasks and projects. People responsible for them and deadlines. In other words, it's about bringing your marketing plan to life. I hope you enjoy watching this video and thank you for listening. God bless you all and stay safe. Thank you.